Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP USD. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Australian dollar, US dollar for 9th March 2021, Tuesday. So this analysis is for Tuesday only. Tomorrow I'll be coming back again with tomorrow's analysis. And please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you want to check the analysis of our other currency pairs for today, you can check my Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. Okay, so we can see that right now market is trading at 0.7671. Let me take the pencil. Okay. And we can see that market was in beautiful uptrend, and after that there was a huge fall. Okay, there was a huge fall in the market, and after that market started going down. And right now market is trading at this range. So we can have two strategies or for the day. The first is wait for the market. Okay, wait for the market to go up, and when the market will hit the 50 moving average. Okay, 50 moving average, and if it gets resistance again. Okay, and after hitting the 50 moving average, if you see that market is having some price rejection from above. Okay, market has made a big bearish candle, then you can short the market. Okay, so 50 moving average. And the second strategy is wait for the market, or wait for the stochastic RSI to be precise, to go to the overbought zone. Right now it is in the middle. Okay, wait for the stochastic RSI to go to the overbought zone. When stochastic RSI will be in the overbought zone, then just wait for the market to form some big bearish candle or a shooting star kind of a pattern. Okay, it can be like this also or like this also. Okay, if you see that okay, market is in overbought zone and it is giving you the signal of bearish engulfing pattern or shooting star kind of a pattern, this means that okay, market is about to go down again. Okay, because this is a sell on rise kind of a market. Okay, whenever market will go up a little bit, sellers will push the market further towards the downside. This is a sell on rise market. Okay. Therefore, wait for the 50 moving average. Okay, 50 moving average. In case market doesn't go to the or reach the 50 moving average, and then wait for the stochastic RSI to go to the overbought zone, and when you'll get the confirmation in the form of price rejection or selling pressure from above, then you can short the market. Okay, so these two are the strategies for the Australian dollar US dollar for 9th March. Okay, and you can see that I have also marked this level. Okay, 0.7585 level. So if you short the market, then this will be your target for the day, because there is some support available at this range. So there is a possibility that if market comes and hits this level, market will reverse from here. Okay, so this should be your target for the day. And in case market shows some good reversal sign. Okay, in case market shows some good reversal sign after hitting this support. Okay, and if you see that okay, market is reversing. Okay, there are some bulls who are not allowing the market to go down, and if you see that price is moving upward. Okay, with some good volume. Okay, volume is required. Okay, the price should get the support of volume, then you can buy somewhere around here. This can be your third, but as of now market is still falling, so these two are the main trading opportunities for today. Okay, and in case market comes and hits this support and reverses with good volume, then we can go for buy. So these are the trading possibilities for Australian dollar US dollar for today, and hopefully you've liked the video and found the video informative. Then please do subscribe and give thumbs up. Okay. You can check my Forex analysis playlist for the other currency pairs, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. Good luck. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.